Will Polkadot recuperate? Will Polkadot go up? The DAB digital currency had endured for an extremely long period and kept up with its situation in the crypto space. Nonetheless, the ongoing cost of the DAB token is extremely low contrasted with its highs. The crypto is exchanging around $5.30, which is exceptionally near the send-off cost of the token. Will DAB go up? Figure out the entirety of your responses in our Polkadot cost expectation as long as possible and present moment. Polkadot value expectation 2023 out of 2023. Our spot gauge recommends that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $8.03 with a base cost of $4.68. Polkadot value expectation 2025 according to our spot forecast. It is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of $16.78 with a base cost of $11.66 in 2025. Polkadot value expectation 2030 as per our Polkadot gauge 2030. The coin might have least and most extreme costs of around $41.38 and $59.57. Separately, what is Polkadot Crypto? A lead project by Web3 Establishment, a Swiss establishment. The Polkadot handoff TIE plans to bring to its clients the functionalities and abundance of decentralized finance and, simultaneously, makes the clients collect the advantages by exploiting an easy-to-use interface. The sale framework as of late had its fourth closeout, which was won by Equal Money. Gavin Wood was the previous prime supporter job at Ethereum establishment. Aside from being one of the most aggressive ventures in light of multi-chain framework and a contender of Ethereum, Polkadot likewise offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains to one bound-together organization. Transcending, as a spearheading project executed on a distributed Polkadot organization, brings monstrous advantages to the table. This shared exceptionally instability security of focal chain and parachains, including immaculate administration. The upgraded foundation permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability. Polkadot's local token is SPEC, which expects three principal purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding. Financial backers generally capture posing extreme and unsafe inquiries with regards to whether Polkadot is truly worth putting resources into. Specialists appear to be hopeful also. The value expectations conjecture the cost of Polkadot crypto to exchange around $7.54 in 2023 and $17.05 in 2025. The assessed cost to send in the approaching 5 years is $37.04, expanding by 596%. As per Polkadot cost expectations, spot costs could fill hugely in 6 years. Say by long-term end, it ought to have an unmistakable exchange scope of $25.26 to $28.90. Polkadot specialized examination. The effective ICO of Polkadot drifted in October 2017 met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million DAB supplies. While during the ICO, spot USD was fixed at 30 cents. The client's buy pattern carried it to an opposition level of $6 toward the finish of August 2020. The token began to exchange at $5.20 in the mid of September and further dove. It spiraled downwards around the primary portion of October 2020, exchanging at $4.42 and further dunked to $3.86 in the mid of October. In any case, the retreating pandemic brought the best worth of the coin forward, and the Polkadot cost began its vertical process at $5.88 in November 2020 and never thought back for a long. Be that as it may, in the wake of arriving at an ATH of $55 on November 4, 2021, Polkadot crypto saw a huge benefit booking. The cost of the Polkadot confronted dismissal, and it fell around $11 in a month. In any case, the DAB coin recaptured its lost force and enlisted an untouched high of $55 in November. Afterward, Polkadot confronted huge selling strain in the whole 2022, yet presently it has begun recuperating in the year 2023. Spot's cost was around $4.34 toward the start of 2023. Presently, the cost is exchanging around $5.29 with potential gain force. In the event that the spec crypto keeps on exchanging upwards, it might raise a ruckus around town opposition level and cross the $7.50 cost mark. In view of technicals and current cost development, the Polkadot cost could keep up development soon. We should investigate spot expectations for the following couple of years. Early Polkadot value expectation, 2023 to 2030 in the realm of digital forms of money. There could be a conjecture of marvels, however nothing is sure, and there is in every case high gamble included. The Polkadot has a market capitalization of $6,291,561,206 and positions among the main 20 digital currencies on different trades. The itemized Polkadot cost forecast and Polkadot specialized examination of different specialists don't stop the Polkadot digital money cost from outflanking the adversaries using any and all means. New associations might bring Polkadot to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for the DAB crypto universe of opponents of Polkadot. Polkadot value expectation 2023 as indicated by our spec cost forecast for 2023. The crypto cost is supposed to hit a high of $11.37, making it a wise speculation. Simultaneously, the base cost of the token for the year 2023 is assessed to be $4.68, with a typical worth of $8.03. Spec value expectation 2024 in the year 2024. Our Polkadot crypto cost forecast proposes that the worth might hit a normal of $11.42. Taking into account the spec cost investigation, it can possibly arrive at a limit of $13.48, while the base cost might be $9.36. Polkadot value expectation 2025. The spec coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $11.66 and $16.78 individually, according to our DAB forecast 2025. Interestingly, the typical cost may be $14.22, with a rate change of over 200% when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Spec coin value expectation 2026. According to our Polkadot forecasts, the year-end could be high as in no other year till now for Polkadot. There might be an uncommon ascent in the cost. The most extreme cost is expected to be around $21.68, while the base cost of the coin might be $15.06. Simultaneously, the typical worth might be $18.37 all through the whole year. Polkadot forecast 2027. In light of the ongoing idealism and cost activity, we anticipate that the token should exchange at a normal of around $23.55 in the year 2027. Simultaneously, the base and greatest costs might be around $19.31 and $27.80 individually, according to our Polkadot estimate. Polkadot value forecast 2028. Out of 2028, the DAB token might have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $24.92. $30.40 and $35.88 separately. In light of the DAB coin cost forecast, the symbolic will recuperate fundamentally and give good revisitations of financial backers. Spot crypto value expectation 2029. Taking a gander at the figure of the spec token, the crypto will exchange as high as $46.75 in the year 2029. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs of the coin may be around $32.48 and $39.62. Separately, Polkadot value expectation 2030. According to our Polkadot cost conjecture, DAB cost can arrive at a limit of around $59.57 in the year 2030. Simultaneously, our Polkadot forecast likewise predicts a base cost of $41.38